Hi, today I'd like to walk you through how to create one of my favorite tools on Turnitin, a PeerMark assignment. So select your class and then click the Add Assignment button. Once you get to select your assignment type, choose the PeerMark assignment. Click Next Step. PeerMark assignments require the use of a base assignment, which are assignments you've already created on Turnitin. So when you press this button, a drop-down menu will show up with all of the assignments that you've previously created. So choose one of those. You can allow papers that are submitted late to this base assignment to be included in the peer review if you'd like. Give your assignment a title. And you can also include a description or detailed instructions. You can allow students to view the author and the reviewer name, or you can choose to leave this box unchecked so that student papers are anonymous. You can also allow students without a paper to review. Give your assignment a point value. You can also choose to award full points if the review is written, or manually assign those points after the assignment is done. Choose your start peer review date as well as your end peer review date. Please be aware that when you end your peer review, students will no longer be able to access the peer review marks. So students who have not finished their peer edits, once this date is passed, they'll no longer be able to complete them. Save and continue. So step 2 is distribution. You can choose how papers are distributed. PeerMark will automatically distribute papers if you choose this. I usually give my students 2. They can also choose papers if you'd like by putting an option here, and then you can require a self-review as well for a total number of 3 is what I have here. So 2 automatically distributed by PeerMark and a self-review. Make sure you click Save, or else this number won't translate into the assignment. Save and continue. This neat feature is questions that students will answer as they go through the peer editing process. So you can add questions, free response question scales. There is a library that Turnitin has with sample questions that you can choose to use as well. So if you click on one of those library options, here are some examples. There's an overall readability where there's a scale. There are some short answer questions where there's a minimum answer length of 5 words. You can choose to select individual questions, or you can choose to add all of the questions to your assignment. You can also reorder them here. Once those questions have been added down here, you can go on ahead and save and finish. And there you have it. There's your first PeerMark assignment. Students will be able to access this as soon as the start date opens, and they can get ready peer editing each other's papers.